Good morning, Beverly Hills Elementary. I am Owen Terry, your SCA Secretary.
And I'm Alyssa Kelly, your SCA President. And this is the news for Thursday, January 9th, 2020.
Today's day in history was an interesting one. In 1788, Connecticut became an American state.
In 1793, people took the first hot air balloon flight. And in 1951, the United Nations opened in Manhattan, although it began in 1946.
Today's word of the day is infinite. When something is infinite, it is endless or goes on forever.
In January and February, the cold seems infinite.
It may be a little shocking, but National Static Electricity Day is January 9th. The observance explores static electricity and even how we may cause it. Have you experienced static electricity lately?
Static electricity is different from the electrical current carried by wires through a building. It happens when the positive and negative charges of an atom are out of balance.
This is Owen Terry.
And Alyssa Kelly. Remember, be respectful,
You're responsible.
be ready to learn. It's the Husky way every day. Have a great day!